Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Satire. The last video we didn't manage to finish. I ended up editing it and it was really long, so I'll put a poll on our Instagram at Satire UK if you haven't followed us already. And basically I asked whether they thought it'd be better to have it in 2 videos or 1, so we ended up with 2 videos. I'll be posting in the clips from last night's car meet, which continues on from last video. If you haven't already seen that, I'll put a link at the top. Go check out, enjoy the video. The Supras here, Federales have showed up. Vico's bombhole's going like this.
Aye,
illegal,
aye.
What?
It's legal, man.
What's illegal?
Look at their stanty boy parking.
Oh yeah, to be fair, they have stunts.
Yeah. Anyone who think that they're a fucking criminal, they can't left through.
See it again.
Top
PD
one, this one.
PD 130, man.
You got subscribed though. I've got notifications turned off that well.
Look at that, man. Subscribe.
Is that chorizo?
Yeah, it's a Spanish burger.
It's spending yours.
It's got fucking onion in it though.
Oh, that bun looks well good.
No.
Brand new. Look at that.
Satire.
Remember the giveaway? We're giving away 2 of these.
Go put that in a Fiesta.
You got no chance of that.
What are you trying to fucking say? Cheeky cunt.
It's all, that's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
I've seen past the head, mister.
Oh, Vicar, you had some of these in, didn't you?
For a week, it was the worst week of my life.
You got like lean forward.
And you're like that. That's fucking...
Jack boys have had enough. The Germans are out to play. They've left. Listen to him rasp away. I hope he don't kill me.
I hope
Bit quick that, wasn't it? Again! Your cock got in the way of the video. Is that past MOT regulations?
It does actually. To be fair, I've had that twice now, and I never got put in cells.
What the fuck?
The third time, I was.
Who invited you here?
I got sent to prison, so it might have been.
Oh shit.
Oh, last.
Here's Keaton's fucking shitbot.
Oh mate, it's quality, man.
Give us a rundown.
The gherkin in there. It's got a quality gear knob on it there.
The race car.
I've got a skate on the other side if you want to go for the other side.
Is that skunk too? I'll give it a full length feature length video then.
Oh, we raced them the other day. Shout out Brett Gowntry.
It's a strawberries and cream frappe.
Sorry, I'm looking through this screen. Get some more on your lips.
Oh, they had no straws.
No, not really straws.
Oh, wowzer.
Sexy up.
Sticky ones.
It won't crack.
Yeah, because it's hot as well.
Look, it's king. I feel like it's not breathing enough. And that's the reason why it's sticking oil out.
Contradiction right there. Alternator. Yeah.
Battery's down here.
Coolant pipe.
Turbo.
Yeah.
Supercharger.
Oh, that's supercharger?
Yeah, there's your pulley, innit?
Oh, it's my socks! I was just having a discussion over there about songs that make you drive fast, right?
Right.
No. What song makes you drive fast?
Bit of Mackie G.
What song it is?
No. Kickstart My Heart.
Kickstart My Heart.
Kickstart My Heart. Is there any uncopyrighted versions of that so we can show people?
Probably not. No, it just goes, Kickstart My Heart! That was the best burnout I've ever seen in my life.
Go on, mate. Go fucking burnout.
Oh no.
Oh no.
There's so much going on.
It's wrong there. It's there.
Uh-oh. Rough, do that. What did you think to the Burnout?
Good that. You've left your tyre. Pick it back up, they're expensive.
1 edition 30. 2 edition 30. Whoa, this is higher spec than Vickers.
This is proper ED first.
Does he want his fucking towing knife coming? Because I've been looking for it. Oh, it's Jackson.
First gap. Sam, watch your car, mate.
This is quickest Fiesta on the East Coast, this, swear down. Hello, son.
Oh, there.
We're filming content all day, much. Why is it not playing anything?
That's not a cow. That's a microphone.
Oh, whoa, what are you doing? Don't come here, not like that. Weirdo. You have to back over here.
What's he been doing, Tanner? He's been doing pheasants. Oh, you dirty bastard. He's been doing them. He likes them that much, he's got them on his jacket.
He's got a 25 kill streak, so he's got new.
Whose dad's baby nose?
Free plug. What are you charging for these?
Yeah, you done that.
Yeah.
Are they going to be part of the giveaway?
Give away a genuine extra mint.
Genuine chewy. Happened last night.
Jensen drove someone else's car.
That Golf R over there.
Fucking see it Leon came.
He left.
He left.
He got blocked in by a forklift, decamped on foot, and then got arrested.
Why am I telling the story when you know the full thing?
Video on that.
Burnout! Do a burnout or you faggot. I think my ultimate is going.
That was the biggest end of the year. Fuck my God. Me much. Hello, what's your name? Where are you from?
Andy Beamer! Smell of novelties in the afternoon.
Smell of knob. You know what would be sick if you launched now without anything out the window?
Launching it there, this is not going good.
Just fucking launch it, boy. Yeah, judging by that, your patrol wouldn't have fit under there, but
No.
you could have taken the same route as him
I could have gone over the metal dock. Can we all look over there? The metal dock.
and made it look way easier.
Yeah, I could have gone over.
Now we've got an SVR. Here owns a tyre shop. They could replace that RS3's flat. Shitty bum.
Alright, they've come all the way from Mudnuts and you just ruined the packet.
Oh, you don't need that. Look, he'll be walking now.
I got a little excited.
Roadside recovery vehicle and
Plastic tyres. It's just not rotten. Call outs, everything.
Call outs, mate.
Even servicing now, I don't even
Open the
wear.
door.
Look at that for a recovery vehicle. Brought them in the SVR for the RS3.
SVR bringing an alloy for an RS3.
Fuck me, there's an echo in it. Genuine out. Don't get my fingernails in it, my fingers are weird.
You get a bit worried.
Four ugger-duggers.
Content.
That was a Reeky A45, wasn't it?
Non-existent A45.
Diesel power.
Content! We need noise!
Burnout.
That was great.
We need a launch.
In spot.
a social butterfly. It just keeps going. Any words? You're supposed to say hi. Whoa, got quite a crowd. Pretend you're in like a race car or something.
Break it hard! Was that a Supra? Are you kidding me? That was so unreal.
Look at his big dirty tyre mark. He's picking up his rubber.
Pick up that rubber.
That rubber.
Unreal.
On the rubber he uses. It's from tyres. But he doesn't smoke, he smokes tyres. Fucking hell.
He's just spinning. There's no way.
Yeah, my foot there.